Good morning. So we almost ready to leave this place, but I have one story to tell you, and this story from last night. So before I'm going to sleep, I started transferring all my footage from cameras, and I noticed one thing: I'm missing one camera. Where's my GoPro? So I started searching. I remember that I left on my car with suction cup attached. So I get out of my car, start searching where I left the GoPro, and it wasn't here. So I thought, damn it, I lost it. So actually I lost it. Suction cup just didn't hold very well and it fell out. So I started driving back, and after 4.5 kilometers I found it. I found my GoPro, but it was smashed and was several pieces of it. But most important thing, the SD card was not damaged. So I got all my footage from it, and that is most important thing. Yeah, and right now nothing I can do, just buy a new one in time. But for now we are leaving this place. Just stopped at the side of the road because we want to stretch our legs, and this is not our first stop. We stopped a lot because of the beautiful views and we want to take photos. Also, I noticed in the parking lot the all beautiful classic cars. Yeah, I cannot resist for them. And here's a very beautiful island, mountain island or something, and right here is mountains. So we will take a minute or two, enjoy the view, and we continue moving. We found the beach, so we decided to just walk on the beach, put the legs on the sand and see.
Something's gotta change.
Stopped at this point and we saw the very beautiful opening of the town down here, and also we spotted this tubes. I don't know what is that, but interesting. We climbed at the top and saw this city. Actually it's very nice, beautiful. Green sea, also nice. And we spotted some kind of church from the stone. So we're driving in the tunnel that is road warning. This tunnel is under construction, so here's no lights. The road condition, I believe it's not the best at all. So yeah, but it's very interesting. It's dark and deep. Oh my god. And I don't know where it ends. So far we drive several hundred meters and I cannot see the light at the end of the tunnel. Maybe it's okay. But also the road is it's very steep uphill, and it's not the best condition. A lot of bumps and holes, but I can see the light at the tunnel back. I don't know if you can see. Finally, we see the light at the end of the tunnel. In front of us, one more tunnel. I think the same is under construction. So you can see the glacier, but yeah, we drive through that, but we're driving more. Hopefully we're going up. We didn't expect to see the wall of the full of the. Whoa! It's huge. Wall full of stones. We drive in this area is amazing, but the road doesn't end here, it continues here. So we'll try to go up here, up to the mountain. So we drive in from this tunnel and go all this way, this path, stop at this point, then go through this and go here. So we are back to the dark tunnel. So I had the same problem. Problem is that clutch hose is leaking. I will tighten it up and we'll see if it helps or it's not. So yeah, it's not very good time to be broken again. Okay, so update from this point where we stopped when I spotted that something is wrong with the clutch pedal, and yeah, the clutch pedal hose leaking the same one that was leaking several days ago, and I think issue is the same, so I need to fix this hose. And yeah, from that point where we stopped and I spotted the issue of the clutch, we drive with one gear about 14 kilometers, and we drive here at this small town where they have the service, and the service doesn't work because it was evening, they doesn't work, and they starting working tomorrow from 7 to 30, so I need to get a good sleep and wake up early. I hope they could help us fix the van, especially the clutch hose. If not, we'll see. And right now we are side by the workshop and gas station. We'll spend a night. From the weather perspective, it's starting raining, and I saw the forecast, it will rain all night and maybe tomorrow. So yeah, we will see how it goes. That's all for today. See you tomorrow. See ya.